And we are back live on Monday Night Raw with a very highly anticipated debut tonight.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, weighing 360 pounds, Lord Tensai!
Well, we've been awaiting the arrival of this man for a number of weeks now, and you know, King, I did some research on him. We understand it.
And currently in the ring from Washington, D.C., weighing 236 pounds, Alex Riley.
We understand this man is a former WWE star who went to Japan and became an international superstar, and now has returned as Lord Tensai.
Well, I did a little homework on him myself. This guy absolutely dominated the competition in Japan. If you know anything about wrestling in Japan, it's some tough competition, and this guy was dominant for years.
The gentleman that is leading Lord Tensai to the ring is known as a deshi, really a worshiper of sorts of this